Welcome to TechLipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your Slack account. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack app or just go to the website at slack.com. I have already searched it over here. I'm just going to open it. Then just give it some time and make sure to sign into your account. And from My Workspaces, just select any of the workspace, click on Launch, and wait for the workspace to launch. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then just give it a few seconds and it should load the workspace for you. And after that, you're going to see the workspace name over here. Make sure you're in your workspace and you see your profile over here. After that, what you have to do is just click on the workspace name or the arrow over here. You'll get this menu. From here, you can just click on sign out. So just click on this. Then just give some time and there you go. Slack has been logged out. And basically that is how to log out of Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.